Alright, this is Donald with AAQUICK. We're going through a vent riser at 4167 Lockport. This vent riser is in the backyard. It's a T on it. I'm going to go inbound and we'll talk when we go back from there. As you can see right here at 15 feet, we have a root ball. We're going to go in with the cable and clear it out, and we'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. This is Donald again. We cleared out all the roots going inbound, and we're finally able to get to the base of the stack from the T from the outside. We're going to pull back from here, going slowly, trying to tell you everything that we find. So we're in the clay at the cast iron at the moment. You see a little come in from there, from probably a toilet from the basement there. Oh, and that's all the cast. About 10 feet of cast. It seems pretty good. Kind of has some scale, but not too bad. Now we're going into the clay. Seems pretty good. A little offset. Some root grow right there that we cut out. Another. Seems pretty good. The roots are just getting in from the where the clay pieces are butted up to each other, which is pretty normal. There's more clay, pretty normal. This is all PVC right now. That's why you don't see any more little clay segments. Oh, right there. There we go. Now we're into the PVC. Here we are at the T that they put in. Now we're going to go outbound to MSD. Alright, so we're at MSD about 20 feet out. We're going to pull back and show you what's going on. It's all pretty good. There's a weird spot that it goes to MSD, but you really can't do much about that. They replaced this to PVC a while ago and it looks good. Getting to the clean out now. There's a clean out, and that will conclude the video.
Sometimes I'll hit